Okay, here we have another example of determining the domain of a function. So we remember domain values are just our x values, and we're trying to avoid situations where we get solutions that are not real numbers. So we're avoiding division by 0, and we're avoiding even roots of negative numbers. So this won't work. Let's look at our problem and make sure we don't have any of these situations going on. I don't have any division, so I know I'm not going to be dividing by 0. But there is a square root. So I can't take the square root of a negative number. It means that 3x plus 12 is not allowed to be negative. That means it has to be greater than or equal to 0, okay? Because it's got to be a positive number, it's got to be 0. So let's solve this to figure out. We know that we're going to subtract 12 from both sides here. So 3x is greater than or equal to negative 12. And then I need to divide by 3. So x has to be greater than or equal to negative 4. So let's go ahead and write the domain values that show us that. Okay, x has to be greater than or equal to negative 4. So that means that negative 4 is going to be my starting point of my domain. And that value is included. So we're going to use a bracket so that we know that that value is included in our domain. And it's greater than negative 4. So that means it's going to go all the way to positive infinity. So your domain from this value is from negative 4 all the way to positive infinity.